If you're looking for simple, effective ways to feel better naturally, you're going to love this Feel Better Naturally kit, a collection of essential oil products designed to support your mood, energy, sleep, immunity, and pain relief. So whether you're managing stress, navigating hormonal changes, or just need a little extra support, this kit has something to address all of that. It's a solid foundation for a journey into wellness that will have you feeling better, but with very little effort. And since I use most of these products every day, I would love to explain to you how to use them. Let's start with the Deep Blue Stick. This is your go-to for easing pain and inflammation. It's perfect for natural relief from joint pain, muscle tension, head tension, or even any joint stiffness that long days at a computer can bring. Like with essential oils, you just apply it directly to the area of discomfort. It's fast, mess-free, and with cooling essential oils like wintergreen, camphor, and peppermint, it works wonders by penetrating deep into the tissues below to support healing from within. Then we have Adaptiv Capsules. These are formulated to help you stay calm, focused, and balanced. So if you're feeling overwhelmed or struggling with hormone imbalances, take one of these capsules every day. They're packed with plant botanicals and essential oils. So if you need to calm your nervous system before doing anything out of your comfort zone, these capsules will help. You can't always eliminate the stresses, but you can adapt. And this is a great dōTERRA calming blend that will support stress relief and mental clarity. Then we have the Guard Softgels. These are your immune system's best friend. The soft gels contain a powerful blend of essential oils like wild orange, clove, cinnamon, and oregano. And this blend contains black pepper and melissa too, to give your body some extra immune protection, especially during stressful or busy times. So if you feel you're coming down with anything, just take 2 of these capsules and your body will be able to fight off any nasties that are coming your way. Then we have the Serenity Sleep Stick. This is perfect for better and deeper sleep. It contains lavender, cedarwood, Roman chamomile, ylang ylang, vetiver, and sandalwood, all essential oils for better sleep. You roll it on your pulse points or your neck just as you're about to go to bed, or you need to wind down or feel grounded at any time. It promotes deeper and more restful sleep and calm. I keep it next to my pillow at night, and it really helps me switch off my brain much quicker so that I can fall asleep a lot more easily. Finally, we have lemon essential oil. This is incredible in your water every day. It helps activate the detox pathways in your body, breaking down microplastics and other gunk that's trapped in your system. So with your metabolism optimized, you're going to have more energy. You can put a few drops in the diffuser or in the palm of your hand and inhale for an energetic and uplifting aroma. It will help put you in a great mood if you inhale it first thing in the morning, setting the tone for the day. So if you're ready to take that step towards feeling better naturally, this kit is for you. What you're going to get with this kit today is my ongoing support, free resources, and tips to make the most of your products. Check out the link to get yours today at wholesale prices, and you'll see that just by doing a few simple steps every day, you can increase your level of wellness with no side effects, just more of the good things that bring wholeness into your mind and body. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share it with anyone that you think would need a little bit more wellness in their life. See you next time.